Hey, what's up everyone, it's your boy Alter Tech back again with a new exciting video. In today's video I have the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, and I also have the OnePlus 8T. So in today's video, I want to talk about things that I prefer on the OnePlus 8T or things that are missing on the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. So let's get to it real quick. Number one, when it comes to charging, hands down, you guys are going to want to go with Warp Charge. Now with Warp Charge, I could probably charge up halfway within just under 20 minutes. As for the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, within the box, you're getting a slow charger and it could take you well over an hour to get a full charge. Meanwhile, on the 8T, you could get a full charge well under an hour. Now you guys can make the argument you could go ahead and pick up a fast charger for the S20 Fan Edition, but still, even with that, Warp Charge is still the more superior technology and it's still way faster. Number two, right out the box for the S20 Fan Edition, you're getting Android 10, but on the other hand, for the OnePlus 8T, you're getting Android 11, or should I say Oxygen 11. So if you guys want the latest Android experience, I would go for the OnePlus 8T. Number three, more RAM, no problem. As for the OnePlus 8T, you're getting 12 gigabytes of RAM, and as for the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, you're getting 6 gigabytes of RAM. But it doesn't stop there. As for the storage, you're getting 256 gigabytes of storage on the OnePlus 8T, and on the Samsung Galaxy Fan Edition, you're going to be getting 128 gigabytes of storage. So if you guys are into taking a lot of videos and photos, or maybe downloading a lot of movies, you might want to go ahead and pick up the OnePlus 8T. Number four, the fingerprint sensor. Based on my experience, the fingerprint sensor on the OnePlus 8T, it's more faster. Number five, the OnePlus 8T has more 5G and 4G bands than on the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. With more bands, you're more likely to have better signal and faster download speeds. Number six, the Haptic Motors on the OnePlus 8T have a more premium feel, and as for the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, Samsung did have to cut some corners, and it really shows on the Haptic Motors. They're just not as premium as flagship devices, and it just feels a little bit on the cheap side. Number seven, now speaking of quality, the 8T has a more premium build than the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. Again, Samsung had to cut some corners to bring down that price point. As for the back of the Fan Edition, you're going to have a more plastic feel. As for the OnePlus 8T, you have a more solid, glass-like feel on the phone. But for me personally, with a case, I'm not really going to notice it. But for you guys out there who are not rocking a case, you're definitely going to notice the difference in the build quality, and you might prefer the build quality on the OnePlus 8T. Number eight, so if you guys are a minimalist, you're definitely going to want to go ahead and grab the OnePlus 8T, and you might feel right at home with the OnePlus 8T simply because of the less intrusion of features, and there is more of a stock Android feel than on the Samsung Galaxy One UI experience. When it comes to bloatware, OnePlus wins. When it comes to the ease of use and navigation, OnePlus wins. Now the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, it's loaded with features, and with all those features, that could actually intimidate some people. Number nine, now some of you guys might prefer the Samsung One UI experience, and some of you guys might prefer OxygenOS, but there are some things about OxygenOS that are unique. For example, you have the gestures, and you also have hidden space in case you have some apps in which you want to hide, in case you have a significant other who actually snoops into your phone. For example, you can go ahead and hide Instagram, you can hide your Twitter, and other applications you feel is necessary to hide from your significant other. And number 10, one of the most favorite iconic features of a OnePlus device is the alert slider. Now, instead of going into your phone and hitting the do not disturb button, you can just go ahead and just use this alert slider to just completely mute everything, or set it to vibrate, or set it to ring. Now, in my experience, this is perhaps the easiest way to silence your device and unsilence your device when needed. Alright guys, that's my top 10 things I prefer on the OnePlus 8T over the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, which is a remarkable phone. If you guys have any questions or comments, hit me up down below. If you guys agree with me or disagree with me, I want to hear you guys down below as well. Anyways guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit that thumbs up button and please subscribe for some more videos. This is Alter Tech signing out. Have a great and wonderful day. Take care. Peace.